animal. Shoot that one. Suze. Hey, sweetie. There's a pigeon. 3 drakes. Yeah, the one that flared right on top of you. Oh! How's it going, Preston Outdoors fans? Welcome back to another video. I'm your host here, Ethan Preston, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. In today's video, I'm going to be going meeting up with Aaron. You guys saw him in the last video, or 2 videos ago, I can't remember. He duck hunted a little bit ago with my brother and I in that cornfield. I'm going to be joining him and a few of his buddies from back home. Aaron's originally from Missouri, had some buddies come up, and they found some birds, and we're going to go and try and hunt. Basically the same setup, I guess. I didn't see where we're going. Basically the same setup as what we had when he hunted with Elliot and I. Some water button up next to some corn. So that reminds me, I'm going to grab my swamp stool. Thanks for that, appreciate it. And we'll be bringing about a couple dozen floaters, 2-3 mojos, something like that will be sitting in the corn. Hopefully they do it just as what they... Hopefully they do it just as well as they did the other day when we were out. So I got to get loaded up, of course. Running here late. Anytime it comes to hunting, it seems like I'm running late. Fishing, always early. I don't know what the deal is here. But I got a couple things to load up here, and let's get on the road. Sinking.
No, I was going to listen for ducks. I don't know if we'll be out here. I can hear him right now. Can you? I'm not. I can hear him right now. Pretty close to me. Oh, yeah?
I swear they're landing on top of me. Grab those stands, Aaron. So, what we got here, waist deep water on this side. Probably can't see it, but there's cattails over here. Put some decoys across the spread, and then on this side there is corn. We'll be standing in the corn. Kind of got a pipeline for them right now. What time is it?
We got like 5 minutes.
God.
7:30 or 7:36 shooting now.
Look at this tornado, fellas. Look at all that. Oh, they're teal. Over here. Yep.
Where'd one drop down?
He's swimming. Oh, he got him in the head. I'm gonna sneak down there and grab him. Yeah. First duck of the day. Is it Susie? Yeah. Ready, Aaron? Kill him. Oh.
Nobody shoot at Aaron.
That right there,
Did we all shoot that one bird?
I didn't shoot.
I didn't shoot.
Got caught in that thing here. That's awesome. There and jump it. Hey! Hey! Come on, Bert! Yes!
That's my kind of shooting.
What's that one?
At a hand.
Are we shooting that or no?
Kill it.
Shoot that one. Right out front. Kill that. Woo! You see that? One out front, one out front. That's a drake, isn't it? Kill, kill, kill. The drake. Are you going there or what? Kill this one right here. Kill that. Kill that. Oh, come on, baby. Here she comes. Shooting that one or what? Shoot that one. Nice shot, fellas. Here, to the right, coming in. See these two? What's this one right here? That looks like a drake, don't it? Oh, right on it. And then you go, hey, 3 from the right coming fast. 2 from the right, 3 from the right coming fast. They're coming low. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. They're right here. Shoot them. Turn them right now. Shoot it. Shoot it. As long as they're not redhead. I think they're both in. I think that's a drake. Oh. Oh crap.
Pretty feathers on the back. Or they're just gonna be wet.
Oh, that's a pretty girl. Shoot again, shoot again. Oh, sorry. You just waxed your corn there. I was like, why you guys get all excited? That drake was leaving. And all of a sudden I saw everybody stand up.